Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Kabir Khanna on Kabir Stream. And today, yet again, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make money on casino with the app that I have made with the AI that I have built over the past couple of years. And now we just get into playing and making some money. And also, don't forget about my Telegram channel. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I do live streams on Tuesday, Thursday, and also Friday. So, like I said, all the information is on my Telegram. Many are scamming us, really. At least you got a pure amateur mindset to tell us the truth about that. Oh, I got so lost in your message. I wanted to take out the money. Oh my god. फिर से चलते हैं. Okay. It says that much. थोड़ा सा इससे पहले ही निकलेंगे. यहाँ पे कुछ निकाल लेते हैं. 60,000 बहुत ही अच्छा अमाउंट है और बिल्कुल सही था इस बारी भी एआई. ऑलरेडी जो है हमने 60,000 रुपये बना लिया. अभी हमने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया है. ये वाला राउंड थोड़ा सा मेरे को लग रहा है कि गंदा ना हो जाए. एआई देखते हैं, जितना बोलेगा उतने पे निकाल लेंगे. So let's take it out over here. 46,000. I am happy with that amount. Okay, let's take it out over here. We don't have to risk much, but as I can see, it was wrong as well. But you have to keep in mind the fact that you are still earning money. हमने जो है 9 लाख से शुरू किया था, हम already जो है 10 लाख पे पहुंचने वाले हैं. And we have been constantly getting, safer points to exit. And we are using them quite well. तो यहाँ पे जो है और पैसे बनाते हैं. Let's run the round analysis. Let's take it out at 2x. 50,000 easy. Bro, I want to earn money. I am 14 years old and I can start with your app with 300 because my bank. I don't recommend you to start. You are way too young to start. And I don't want you to indulge in these kinds of things at this age. I want you to go to school, study, and do something productive. And when you have enough money, then you can start. I know that there is, some want that you feel inside of yourself that I need to start earning money. But for now, you have to learn a lot of things about the world. And then you can start happily. You don't have to worry about anything. Like, it's all okay. Maler Kotla. 76,000 and on dot analysis. कितना लेके आए थे अमाउंट? हमारा था 9 लाख पे. नजर मत लगा देना यार निखिल. Let's take it out over here as the AI says. 11 लाख पे पहुंच चुके हैं. 2 लाख हो गया है. I will take it out over here for now. But let's see if it goes till 8x or not. And it did go. I could have made more. I could have made 200,000. But it's all okay. Slow and steady. I don't think it'll go back to back. फाइव एक्स पे निकाल रहा हूं. Let's see if it goes back to back. अरे back to back भी गया. I could have made 500,000 over here. I'm not getting good feels from this. Great. I don't know why I did not get good feels from this. मैं तो ले रहा हूँ यार निखिल. मेरे को लगा था ये वाला बड़ा जा रहा है. Let's go with the AICs. ये बहुत अच्छा राउंड हो गया फिर नहीं यार, बहुत लेट बोला यार निखिल, मेरे को भी लग रहा था ये अच्छा जाएगा, बहुत बड़ा तो नहीं गया. गोपाल इज बैक अगेन. गोपाल वी वेंट टिल 13 लाख, बट फिर मैंने फिर से गलतियां करनी थोड़ी शुरू कर दी, एआई की बात नहीं सुनी, and lost some of it, but we are on the way to make it back again like this. 1 लाख. ओके ओके ओके, स्लोली बट श्योरली हम जो है वापस जा रहे हैं उस पॉइंट पे. Let's go again. Let's go. 13 lakh and 21,000. AI is for the win over here. Great job. Let's go. Wait a second. Let's go for 420. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. No needed to do if the rounds are not good. अरे यार गोपाल भाई, आपके लिए कुछ भी यार. 500 runs is actually a decent amount to start with. It's not bad at all. All you have to do is, simply be aware how to divide those 500 runs into equal bits so that you can actually, make a decent chunk of money. Right over here, Gopal, look at this. Two lakhs and 60,000. Okay, okay, okay. We are only 2 lakhs off of our goal of 15 lakhs set by our guy Gopal.